Did you know Shopify has its own free computer science degree? It's called Dev Degree, and it's not your average program. Applications for fall 2025 open this December, and trust us, you're going to want to hear all about it. Before we dive in, though, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe for more updates, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. And if you know someone who would benefit from this, share it with them. And we would appreciate it if you could watch this video until the end. We've got all the details on why this program could be a life changer. Let's start with what makes Dev Degree so awesome. First off, Shopify covers 100% of your tuition, pays you a competitive salary, and even gives you vacation time. That's over $160,000 in financial support while you earn your degree. On top of that, you'll gain real world experience working with Shopify's teams, logging over 3,800 hours of hands on development during the program. This isn't just another Learn Theory First degree. Here, you'll apply what you learn immediately on real products that impact millions of people. In your first year, you'll dive into Shopify's developer skills training path, where you'll learn in demand tools like Ruby, JavaScript, React, and more. After that, you'll rotate through Shopify's development teams every 8 to 12 months, taking on real responsibilities with guidance from dedicated mentors. And while you're doing all this, you'll still be attending university classes and earning an accredited computer science degree. It's like hitting the jackpot. A degree, a paycheck, and work experience all rolled into one. Now, let's talk options. Dev Degree partners with 3 universities, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Carleton University, Ottawa perfect for those who prefer in-person learning. You'll need to live near campus, and international students must have a study permit. It's a 4-year program that blends university classes with your Shopify placements. Dominican University, remote fully online and available to residents in Canada or the US. This one's great if you need flexibility. It's a 3-year program with 3 Shopify team placements. York University, Markham, Ontario, this one's for hands-on learners. It's an accelerated program that mixes Shopify work with 1 week on-campus learning blocks twice a semester. You'll get 5 team placements over 4 years. So why choose Dev Degree over a traditional program? Well, it's simple. Most computer science degrees are heavy on theory, and when you graduate, you're left scrambling to connect that knowledge to real-world development. With Dev Degree, you're building products, getting feedback, and growing your skills from day one. By the time you graduate, you'll have a degree and the experience employers are looking for. If this sounds like the perfect fit for you, or someone you know, remember, applications open this December for fall 2025. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more updates, and share it with anyone who needs to hear about this amazing opportunity. Thanks for watching, and we hope you will take advantage of this program. If this is not for you, or if you're looking for a remote job, check out our other videos.